Hey guys, welcome back. Tim Knox with Revolved Realty here with my buddy Noell Bishop of Bishop 30 Solutions. How are you, sir?
I am fine. I'm glad to be here.
I'm glad you're here. I feel a lot safer when you're here. I don't know why.
Well,
maybe because you're an expert on self-defense and safety and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Don't mess with me. My buddy Noel will give you one of these.
Hey, I'm a lover, not a fighter.
I gotcha.
Okay.
Hey, we are doing a series of videos seriously on how you can be safer in an unsafe world, whether you're at home, you're at the mall, you're at school, church, whether you are what Noel calls a civilian, which is, you know, anyone who's not like SEAL Team 6 or Noel, I guess.
Or a police officer.
Or a police officer. Yeah. So we want to continue the video talking about home safety. We had talked before about the exterior lighting, about having a plan, well, I guess you could call it a plan of attack, but a plan to deal with things if someone does come into your house. Let's talk about things to do to make your house less susceptible to becoming that soft target. What are some of the things you can do?
Well, let's just kind of focus on windows.
Okay.
So if you have bushes on the front of your house,
as most people do,
and I've got them too.
Yep.
You want to keep those bushes trimmed below the windows. Okay. The reason is because, you know, like we've mentioned in the other videos, these bad guys, they like the dark. Okay. They like to hide. So if they can get in behind a bush, jimmy the window and get in, they're going to do it. But if you cut them down where a body can't hide behind that, okay. The other thing is you can kind of get a little bit, well, you can put thorns. That's a big deterrent. You know, put some rose bushes in there or something else, some leafy things with some thorns on it. That'll deter. That
will cut down the peeping Tom. Considerably.
Right. One time, that's all it is. Yeah, exactly.
So keep the bushes trimmed down below the line of the window. That way, they're not going to be able to hide behind the bushes.
Right.
Raise the window and get into the
And like I had some big trees, some big kind of evergreen type things. I just chopped them down. Yeah. I didn't like them anyhow.
Well, there was a thing in the news here a while back where a guy actually climbed a tree to get into the second floor window. So you don't want big trees that overhang that they're going to be able to climb up.
Anything that they can hide behind is something you want to eliminate. Right. And so, you know, also what you want to do at night, if you've got louvers or blinds, close them. Close your curtains, because you know, if you have it lit up inside, you can see everything.
Your fishbowl.
Oh yeah. Yeah. They're seeing the big screen TV. They're seeing the gun rack or what have you. All those expensive things that you've worked really hard for. Right. They're looking at them. Yeah. Okay. So they give you about 3 or 4 hours to go to sleep, and they're coming to get it. Yeah. You know, I grew up in an old house out in the country. We had no air conditioning. Right. This was back in the mid 1800s when I was a young man. And so we would always, all of our windows would be up. Yeah. You know, some of them had screens, some of them didn't. Some of them we'd stick fans in the window. Sure. And I can remember my bed literally was in front of a window that was always open with no screen or anything, just try to get a breeze. Right. Now, granted, no one would want to kidnap this, even as a little boy. But there was that danger factor that that house would have been really easy for someone to get into or to do whatever. So. And it's a different day and age now.
It is,
too. So, but you gotta not allow that bad guy to see what you got. Right. So you got to keep those things, closed.
Yeah, great tips. Hey, if Noel can help you in any way, he'll come out to your house and actually kind of walk you through the process and work with you to make the home more secure. How do they get in touch with you?
So you can jump on my website at bishop30solutions.com. That's bishop30solutions.com. Or you can call me. I wish you would. I'd love to hear from you. It's 256-513-2280.
All right. Very good. And as always, if I can do anything for you when it comes to real estate, give me a call, 679-0704. And for the love of God, close those blinds, guys.
We don't want to see all that.
We really don't. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.